Hello, what's your name?
My name is Andrea.
How old are you, Andrea?
I'm 7 years.
Alright. Welcome to our speaking test. What rooms are there in a house?
In the house, there is a bedroom, dining room, kitchen.
Yes, okay, thank you. That's a lot. What do people do in the bedroom?
In the bedroom,
People have meals?
people have milk.
No, they don't.
And
Alright. What do people do in the kitchen?
in the kitchen,
And what do people do in the garden?
garden is grow.
Let's describe this animal, please.
Is a cow. It is pink and dirty.
Yes. What has it got? And what does it eat?
It has got 2 ears, 2 eyes, and long tail, 4 legs.
Alright.
It is grass,
Green grass.
green grass.
What is the Bahamas?
Is an island country is famous for many beautiful beaches.
What is China?
Is an island is a very pink country in
In Asia, right?
Asia.
And what is Australia?
Is an island country. There are many
animals here, like
animals here like
koalas
and cockroaches.
Is she in the kitchen?
No, she's not. She in the living room.
Where is the spider?
Is